Hi students. So good morning everyone. I think class is live. Okay. Hi students. Okay. So yesterday we were talking about continuity and we have seen some problems on continuity. I think you can go through those problems and also you can understand them, no problem. Today I will go to differentiability or differentiation. Clear? So today I am going to solve some problems on differentiation so that it will be a little bit good for you also, because yesterday we have done continuity. Today I will do some differentiation problems, and you can also solve more and more number of problems from the materials that you have. Clear? Okay. So good morning everyone. I think all of you are very much fine and good, and you can also join as much as early possible. Tell all your friends to join the class so that we can continue our session on differentiation. Okay. So in this differentiation, first we shall go with our first problem, that is limit h tending to 0, limit h tending to 0, tan of x plus h minus tan x divided by h is equal to, first one minus secant squared x, second option secant squared x, third option minus sec x into tan x, and fourth option is positive sec x into tan x. Okay. So my dear students, here you must know one thing, that is first principle method. You must know first principle method that you have learned from your 11th class, because now the thing they have given here is in the form of first principle method. Okay. So that formula all of you must know. The first principle method formula is limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is equal to f dash of x. Okay. So this is your first principle method. So you just see in the f of x what you have. You have tan x. That means they are asking the differentiation of tan x. Clear? So this is nothing but what? D by dx of tan x. Okay. Or you can also say here f of x is tan x. F of x is tan x. Clear? So like this, if you have an idea of a function and the first principle method with the differentiation, clearly you can understand that if I differentiate tan x, I will get secant square x. So therefore the answer is going to be secant squared x. Clear? Here f of x is tan x and the differentiation of tan x is secant squared x. Okay. So everyone quickly join to the class and tell all your friends to join the class. I think all of you have understood this problem, because it is very simple. They have given it in the form of first principle method. First principle method. So by using first principle method, you can identify f of x. So by taking f of x, if you differentiate it, it is going to be equal to secant squared x. So therefore option 2 is going to be the right answer. Option 2 is going to be the right answer, that is sec square x. Clear? Okay. So that is option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. So quickly give me the replies for the first problem so that I can go for my second problem. Okay. That is limit h tending to 0, e to the power of root of x plus h minus e to the power of root x divided by h. Okay. So now here you can just again take the reference of the first problem. You just understand how we have solved the first problem, so that in the form of the same thing you can get the answer for the second problem also. Clear? Because the first problem and second problem are similar, and it is also going to be solved from our first principle method, so that you can understand that what is f of x. Here you can just see what is f of x and identify f of x, so that you can differentiate it and you can get the answer. Clear? Okay. So you just see this is from first principle method, that is f dash of x is equal to limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay, so here the f of x is e to the power of root x, e to the power of root x. Okay, so now if f of x is e to the power of root x, so all of you know that differentiation of e to the power x is again e to the power x, but here you have root x, so that will be 1 by 2 root x. Clear? So therefore e root x divided by 2 root x will be your answer. Clear? You can just go through it. See that this is in the first principle method. So this is the formula for your first principle method. This is the formula for your first principle method, and here f of x is e to the power of root x. So now if I differentiate e to the power of root x, we shall see that e to the power of root x is going to be e to the power of root x into 1 by 2 root x. This will be our answer, and that is option 3 is going to be the right answer. Option 3 is going to be the right answer. Okay. Good morning to everyone. I think now some of you have joined, but still so many of you has to join. Okay, let it be. So here you can just go through it and you can understand, because it is a very simple problem by using our first principle method. Clear? So by using our first principle method, you can just take f of x is e to the power of root x. F of x is e power root x. So therefore if you take f of x is e power root x, if you differentiate that, you will get our required answer. Okay, very good. So now let us go for the third problem. See what they have given. They have given g of x. Equal to root of 25 minus x square, then limit extending to 1 g of x minus g of 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so they have given 4 options, no problem. So here you just see this is nothing but it is equal to g dash of 1. Here they have given this is nothing but g dash of 1. That means you must know what is differentiation of g. So if you calculate the differentiation of g, then you can calculate differentiation of what at x equal to 1. Okay, so this is nothing but your g dash of x, that is equal to limit extending to 1 g of x minus g of 1 divided by x minus 1. So therefore you can just go through the formula. Which I have explained here, that is z dash of 1 is equal to limit extending to 1 g of x minus g of 1 divided by x minus 1. Now you can just see, if I differentiate this term, square root of 25 minus x square. If I differentiate square root of 25 minus x square, we will get 1 by 2 root of 25 minus x square multiplied with minus 2x. So my dear students, you just see the differentiation of root of f of x is 1 by 2 root of f of x. 1 by 2 root of f of x into f dash of x. Clear? So by differentiating root of f of x, you can get 1 by 2 root of f of x multiplied with f dash of x. So therefore, with this formula, you can just get minus 2x divided by 2 into root of 25 minus x square, and here 2 will get cancelled, so that you can get minus x divided by, okay, you can get minus x divided by root of 25 minus x square. So here you can use x value as 1. So if I use x value as 1 in the place of x, minus 1 divided by root of 25 minus 1. Okay, that is 24. So minus 1 divided by root of 24 will be the required answer. Okay. So all of you quickly give me the thumbs if you are understanding the problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have no doubts, you can just give me the thumbs so that I can continue with the next problem. So that I can continue with the next problem. Okay. So quickly give me the thumbs. Okay. So that is option 1 is our correct answer. So now let us go for the fourth problem. Okay. So this is very simple problem. Try to solve on your own and give me the answer. Very simple problem. So try to solve it and give me the answer. Okay. Very simple problem. Differentiation of x to the power of a plus differentiation of a to the power of x. Quickly try to solve it and give me the answer. Okay. Because all of you know what is the formula for differentiation of x to the power of a plus differentiation of a to the power of x. So this all are very simple problems. Quickly solve and give me the answer. You have 4 options. So in that you can just tell me what is the correct option. Okay. Okay, so now you just see here differentiation of x to the power of a. This is nothing but in the form of x to the power of n. So what is differentiation of x to the power of n? N into x to the power of n minus 1. In the place of n you have a. So therefore you are going to have a into x to the power of a minus 1 plus differentiation of a to the power of x. Already you know the formula of differentiation of a to the power of x, that is a to the power of x into log a. So this will be a to the power of x into log a. Okay. Clear? So now here you can just see that a into x to the power of a minus 1, a raised to x into log a. Therefore option 2 is going to be the right answer. Option 2 is going to be the right answer. Some of you have given this as correct answer, no problem, and some of you have done mistake. So you just check it, no problem. Option 2 is going to be the correct solution. Option 2 is going to be the correct solution for our differentiation of x raised to a plus a raised to x. X raised to a plus a raised to x. Okay. This problem is also very simple, so that you can just go through it and you can solve it, no problem. Clear? Now let us go for differentiation of, this is d by dx of log x to the base a. Log x to the base a. Okay. So you must know what is change of base rule. You must know what is change of base rule. If you know change of base rule, then you can understand it. Clear? So here, if you apply change of base rule for this, what it happens? It will be in the form of log x to the base e. So log a to the base e by using change of base rule. Clear? So from this you can understand that by using the change of base rule, you can get log x divided by log a. You can write it as log x divided by log a. Okay, so that you have to differentiate. Here log a is constant term and log x you have to differentiate. Clear? So by using this simple calculations or simple hints, you can get your answer. Okay. So as I said, first you have to go for change of base rule. Next you have to go for differentiation. Clear? So first you see what is change of base rule. That is what we got, log x divided by log a. Log x divided by log a. So here log a is constant term. Log a is constant term. Okay, so log a is constant term. Don't worry about it. Differentiate log x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So therefore you can just see 1 by x into log a is our required answer. 1 by x into log a is our required answer. Okay. So that is option 3. Option 3 is going to be the correct answer. So all of you quickly give me the thumbs if you are following the class, if you are understanding the class. Quickly give me the thumbs. Okay. Very good. So now I can go for the 6th problem. That is differentiation of tan x minus cot x divided by tan x plus cot x. Differentiation of tan x minus cot x divided by tan x plus cot x. Okay. So here you just see we have tan x minus cot x means you see the options and you can just go through it. How can you write cot? Quickly tell me, how can you write cot? Cot x can be written as 1 by tan x. Okay, so if you write this as 1 by tan x, that will be tan square x minus 1 divided by tan square x plus 1. Because in the place of cot, I can write it as 1 by tan. So that will be 1 by tan. So therefore tan square x minus 1 divided by tan square x plus 1. So using that, you just see this, you will get this required form. Okay. So you must also know the formula of cos 2x. What is cos 2x formula? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So by using that, if I write minus cos 2x, it will be tan square x minus 1 divided by tan square x plus 1. Clear? So now we can write this term as minus cos 2x. We can write this term as minus cos 2x. So just differentiate minus cos 2x and you are going to get your required result. Okay. So all the hints I have given. So now you have to just differentiate it and you have to write the answer. Clear? So just see that differentiation of tan x minus 1 by tan x, because cot can be written as 1 minus tan x. So therefore it can be reduced for tan square x minus 1 divided by tan square x plus 1. Now this tan square x minus 1 divided by tan square x plus 1 can be given by minus cos 2x. So now what is the differentiation of cos 2x? That is minus 2 sin 2x. So already you have minus sign, minus into minus will be plus. So therefore 2 sin 2x will be your answer. That is option 1 is going to be the right answer. Clear? So here a little bit formulas and concepts you just understand, so that from that you can go through your solutions. Okay. Next, the derivative of even function is odd function. You directly remember that the derivative of even function is odd function. Okay. So it is just like what statement. It is just like a statement. You just remember that the derivative of the even function is odd function. So what is even function? If f of minus x will become f of x, this is called even function. This is called even function. Okay. F of minus x equal to minus f of x is called odd function. Okay. By using this even and odd function forms, you can just go through it and you can solve it. For example, even function, you just see, I can take cos x. Cos x is even function. Okay. On the same way, you can see sin x. Sin x is odd function. From this, you can just understand one thing. If I differentiate cos x, it will show minus sin x. So sin x is what? Odd function. Okay. Why cos x is called even function? Because cos of minus x is cos x. See this, f of minus x is equal to f of x means that is even function. On the same way, you can just see sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So that's why it is called odd function. Because these two are the definitions of even and odd function. F of minus x is f of x, that is even function. F of minus x is minus f of x, that is odd function. Okay. So these two are the definitions of even and odd. By taking them, you can just see, by differentiating cos, you will get minus sin, and by differentiating sin, you will get cos. So therefore, the differentiation of even function is odd function, and the differentiation of odd function is even function. Clear? So for that, you just remember them. Somewhere in the exams they may ask. Okay. So therefore, odd function is our answer. Clear? Okay. Now quickly we can go for the eighth problem. That is, if y equal to, see this, what they have given, if y equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on, then what is dy by dx? They are asking. Okay, see this, y equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on. Okay. Now quickly tell me, this is the expansion of which function? Here 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on can be written as some f of x. What is that f of x? Quickly tell me that. Clear? If you tell me what is that f of x, then clearly you can get the answer in just a frequent of or in just 1 second. This problem is with only 1 second of time. Don't waste 1 minute of time for this, because if you know the formula of 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial plus so on, then you can just in just 1 second of time you can answer it. If anyone know the answer for this, quickly tell me. So my dear students, you just see y equal to e raised to x, means e raised to x is nothing but x divided by 1 factorial, x square divided by 2 factorial plus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus so on. Okay. So here if you know the expansion of e raised to x, then it is just 1 second, because you know that differentiation of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. Clear? So therefore, the answer is going to be option 3. The answer is going to be option 3, that is e raised to x. Clear? So e raised to x is our answer. All of you quickly give me the thumbs if you are understanding, if you are following. Okay. Then quickly tell me the answer. Clear? Okay. See problem number 9. You can go to problem number 9, that is if this is greatest integer function, okay, square bracket x means this is greatest integer function, for x is in between 4 and 5, for x is in between 4 and 5, then what is differentiation of greatest integer function? Then what is the differentiation of greatest integer function? Okay, so here you must know what is greatest integer function. Now it is in between 4 and 5. See, x value is in between 4 and 5. So quickly, if you know the definition of greatest integer function, in 1 second of time you can answer this. Anyways, I will give you options also, don't worry. Tell me what is the answer. First option is x minus 4 comma 5. Second option is greatest integer x. Third option is 0. Fourth option is 1. So quickly tell me the answer, because it is very simple. It is very simple. Only thing you must know what is greatest integer function. Only thing you must know what is greatest integer function. Okay. If you know the definition of greatest integer function, then definitely you can answer for this. Okay. See here, the greatest integer function for 4 and 5. For 4 and 5, that means it is taking the terms in between 4 and 5. The output will be what? The output will be 4. See what they have given. X is in between 4 and 5. X is in between 4 and 5. If x is in between 4 and 5, what will be the greatest integer of values in between 4 and 5? What will be the values in between 4 and 5 for the greatest integer function? The output will be 4. The output will be 4. See here, if x is in between 4 and 5, if x is in between 4 and 5, okay, if x is in between 4 and 5, the output will be what? 4. If output is 4, what is differentiation of 4? 0. Okay. What is differentiation of 4? Constant term. Answer will be 0. Clear? So that's why I tell, please first understand the problems very carefully. Please understand the problems very carefully, because they have given that this is greatest integer function and x is in between 4 and 5. X is in between 4 and 5. This is important. That means you just go through this. This is 4, this is 5, and x is in between 4 and 5. X is in between 4 and 5. So if x is in between 4 and 5, output will be what? 4. Output will be what? 4. Therefore, the differentiation of 4 is what? 0. The differentiation of 4 is what? 0. Okay. So that you have to understand. Okay. So say this. Given x is in between 4 and 5. Given x is in between 4 and 5. So therefore greatest integer of x is going to be equal to 4. And the differentiation of 4 is going to be equal to 0. The differentiation of 4 is going to be equal to 0. Clear? So therefore option 3 is the right answer. Therefore option 3 is the right answer. Clear? All of you quickly give me the thumbs if you have understood this. If you have understood this, quickly give me the thumb. And you can also cue smileys so that I can continue for the 10th problem. I can continue for the 10th problem. Okay. So my dear students, please tell me one hint. I want solution from your side. So that's why I am asking, how can I solve this? How can I solve this? Please tell me, how can I solve this? already you have 10th problem. F of x is given as 1 plus tan x. F of x is given as f of x is given as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Okay. So if f of x is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, then what is f dash of x? Then what is f dash of x? Can you tell me? You don't tell f dash of x, you just tell me how to simplify this 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Clear? So all of you see here, I can write this 1 as tan pi by 4. I can write this 1 as tan pi by 4. Here also I can write it as tan pi by 4. See that? I will write 1 as tan pi by 4, and here what I will do, I will write 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x, because I can convert this for tan of pi by 4 plus x. Tan of pi by 4 plus x. Have you got my point? See this one I will write it as tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by, I will write 1 as it is. Here I will write this as tan pi by 4 into tan x. Do you know why? Because this is nothing but 1 into tan x. So now you can write this as tan of pi by 4 plus x. Clear? Now easily you can differentiate this. Differentiation of tan is what? Secant squared of pi by 4 plus x. Okay. So differentiation of pi by 4 plus x will be what? 1. Therefore, you can just see secant square pi by 4 plus x will be our answer. Secant square pi by 4 plus x will be our answer. Okay. This is nothing but by using the formula of tan of a minus b. What is tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b divided by tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. So here a value is pi by 4, b value is x. So by using that, you can clearly write the required answer is going to be secant squared pi by 4 plus x. Secant squared pi by 4 plus x. Okay. So now we can quickly go for the next problem if all of you say you have understood this. Clear? So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? And now we shall go for the differentiation of cos x naught. So you must know what is this. Can anyone tell me what is this term? Quickly tell me. So most of you can give the right answer for this. Most of you can give the right answer for this. Quickly tell me what is the answer for this. Very good. Very good. Mahesh, Nadav. What about others? Quickly tell me. What about others? You just reply me with the answers. Next. I have only got 3 answers from Nadav, Mahesh and Sania Bhagwan. Okay. Sovian. Okay. So see here, my dear students, this is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. Why this is wrong answer means this is not cos x. This is not cos x. This is not equal to cos x. This is cos x radians. Cos x radians. Or you can tell it as x degree. Okay. You can tell it as x degree. Clear? So that's why, my dear students, this is not the right answer. This degree has to be converted for some radians. See that. I have to convert this degree for radians. Clear? So that's why I will multiply this x degrees with pi by 180. I will multiply this x degrees with pi by 180. So therefore, pi by 180 into x. I should get this. Next, I should differentiate this cos of pi by 180x. So differentiation of cos is what? Minus sine of pi by 180 into x. And here you can just see pi by 180. I should write here coefficient of x. So therefore, answer will be minus pi by 180 sine of pi by 180 into x. This is going to be our answer. Clear? So therefore, you just see option 2 is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer for this. Clear? Most of the students will give the answer as 1, but answer is not 1. Okay? Because you just see this, this is not x, this is x degree. Now quickly I can go for the 12th one, that is y equal to log of mod x. Then what is the answer? dy by dx is minus 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0. 1 by mod x plus x, dy by dx is 1 by x, dy by dx is x. Okay. So all of you know the differentiation of log x. All of you know the differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x, right? But here you have log of mod x. You have log of mod x. Can anyone tell me what is differentiation of mod x? Can anyone tell me what is differentiation of mod x? All of you know that differentiation of x is 1. All of you know that differentiation of x is 1. But what is differentiation of mod x? That is very, very important question here. If you tell me the differentiation of mod x, then you can quickly answer for this. Please remember, the differentiation of mod x is mod x by x. Please remember, the differentiation of mod x is mod x by x. Please remember this formula. Okay. For x is greater than 0, answer will be 1. For x is lesser than 0, answer will be minus 1. Please understand. Clear? The differentiation of mod x is a very important concept. Differentiation of mod x is mod x divided by x. For x greater than 0, it is greater than or equal to 0, it is 1. For x is lesser than 0, it is minus 1. Okay. So you must know this formula, so that from that you can quickly answer this. Okay. So you just see differentiation of log of mod x is 1 by mod x, and now differentiation of mod x is mod x by x. So you can cancel mod x and mod x. Answer will be 1 by x. Answer will be 1 by x. Okay. So therefore option 3 is the right answer. Therefore option 3 is the right answer. Okay. So for I think 12th question, all of you have understood this, and quickly you can tell me if you have any doubts. You can ask, no problem. You have doubts, you can ask, no problem. If you don't have any doubts, we can go for the next problem. Okay, that is differentiation of root of sin x. Differentiation of root of sin x. So see here, differentiation of root of sin x is what? By using chain rule you have to simplify. By using chain rule you have to simplify. Clear? All of we know that differentiation of root of f of x is what? 1 by 2 root of f of x, and multiplied with differentiation of f of x is what? F dash of x. So you have to apply this formula. If you apply this formula, definitely you can get the right answer. Okay. So here f of x is sin x. So that will be 1 by 2 root sin x, 1 by 2 root of sin x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x. Clear? Therefore, here this is extra term. Okay, cos x divided by 2 root of sin x is the answer. That is option 1. Clear? Okay. Very good. So now let us go for 14th problem. Now let us go for 14th problem. So take some 2 minutes of time for this. Solve it and quickly tell me the answer. Solve it and quickly tell me the answer. Very simple formula and very simple problem. Okay. So quickly solve it and tell me the answer. So try to give me the answers. Very simple problem. See here, you have to use the formulas. You have to use the formulas for sin x and 1 minus cos x. See, I can write this as 1 minus cos x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x plus sin x. Okay. So you just see 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. And sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Here sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. So therefore, from this you can just see here sin x by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 cos x by 2, 2 and 2 are common. So therefore, take the term 2 times of sin x by 2 divided by 2 times of cos x by 2. 2 times of sin x by 2 common from this term. 2 times of cos x by 2 common from this term. What it will be remaining term? Here sin x by 2 remains plus cos x by 2. Here what it remains? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Cancel these two terms. Cancel 2 and 2. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. Okay. So now if you differentiate tan x by 2, it will be secant squared x by 2 into 1 by 2. Secant squared x by 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore, here 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2, that is option 2 is going to be the right answer. Option 2 is going to be the right answer. Clear? So all of you tell me, have you understood this? I think a very simple problem, but you must know how to utilize or how to use the concepts and the formulas. How to use the concepts and the formulas. Okay. So now we can go for the 15th problem. Very good. So see this, f of x is given as x minus x square plus x cube minus x raised to 4 plus so on. Okay. For mod x is lesser than 1. For mod x is lesser than 1, this is f dash of x. Okay. F dash of x, that means differentiation of f of x. Option 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Option 2 is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Option 3 is 1 divided by 1 minus x square. And option 4 you have 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square. Okay. So my dear students, you just see this. I will give you some hints. That is, here f of x, I will take x term as common and the remaining term will be what? 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. Okay. Now you just see this. X into 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. You need to solve this. You need to solve this. Okay. So for that, you just see the same thing I have written here, that is by taking x term common. Here you have x, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. They have written f of x as x into 1 by 1 plus x. See, this term is nothing but GP, geometric progression. These terms are in the form of geometrical progression. What is formula for GP? A divided by 1 minus R. Okay, this is the formula for GP. A divided by 1 minus R. A is the first term. Here you can just see first term is 1 divided by 1 minus R. R is what? Ratio. R is what? Ratio. So if R is ratio, you just see x square divided by minus x. If I simplify, you are going to have minus x. You are going to have minus x as the ratio. So if I put minus x in the place of R, that is going to be 1 divided by 1 plus x. 1 divided by 1 plus x. So therefore, x into 1 divided by 1 plus x is your function. Now, f of x is x divided by 1 plus x. F of x is 1 divided by, x divided by 1 plus x. Okay. So now if I differentiate this particular function by u by v rule, so that you can get the answer. Clear? But you must understand this particular term, that is geometrical progression. Okay. So like this, they will mix the concepts and they will ask, see, this is differentiation and sequence and series concepts. In JEE mains and KCET, what they will do, they take one question in the form of which is the combination of 2 or 3 chapters. For example, now here geometrical progression and differentiation. This is the combination of 2 things and they are asking what is f dash of x. They are asking what is f dash of x. So this type of questions you can expect in your KCET also. Clear? So now you just see differentiation of x divided by 1 plus x by using the formula of d by dx of u by v. Okay, u is x, v is 1 plus x. Clear? So you are going to get 1 plus x minus x. So here plus x and minus x will get cancelled. Therefore, plus x minus x you can get cancelled. 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square. 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square is your required result. Okay. So that you can see from your 15th problem that option 4 is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. And in this one important concept, GP, that is A divided by 1 minus R. This you have to remember. Clear? Okay. So quickly give me the thumbs so that we can go for problem number 16. Problem number 16. Okay. So now already I have explained, this is nothing but e. Exponential means e. Okay, e power sin square x plus sin raised to 4x plus sin raised to 6x plus so on. So quickly give me the hints. Quickly give me the hints for this. How we can simplify? Quickly give me the hints so that I can use the hints that are given by you and I will solve it. I have sin square x plus sin raised to 4 plus sin raised to 6 plus so on. Okay. So here you can just see e, let it be what you have, sin square x plus sin raised to 4 plus sin raised to 6 plus so on. Here sin square is common. Take sin square x as common term, not sin x. Take sin square x as common term, 1 plus sin square x plus sin raised to 4x plus so on. Okay. So in the previous problem we have discussed about GP, that is a divided by 1 minus r. Okay. So now you can just see a term is 1. So here you can just write 1 divided by common ratio. See, common ratio between the second term and the first term will be sin square. So 1 minus sin square x. Okay. So now already sin square x outside you have. So therefore sin square x into, it will be what? 1 divided by 1 minus sin square x. Okay. So this all hints, this all techniques you have to use. Now you can go for same. Okay, what we have got, clear? So 1 divided by 1 minus sin square x. See, this is nothing but cos square x. 1 minus sin square x is nothing but cos square x. So sin square x by cos square x is nothing but e to the power of tan square x. So once if you get e to the power of tan square x, the differentiation of e to the power of tan square x you have to simplify. That will be e to the power of tan square x as e to the power of tan square x. Differentiation of tan square x is what? 2 tan x into secant squared x. Clear? E to the power of tan square x, differentiation of tan square x is 2 tan x divided by secant squared x. Clear? This is your answer. Okay. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? Our answer is e to the power of tan square x into 2 tan x into secant squared x. E to the power of tan square x into 2 tan x into secant squared x. Okay. So that is option 3 is going to be the right answer. Clear? Very good. So now let us go for problem number 17. So quickly come to problem number 17. Come on everyone, come to problem number 17, that is differentiation of x plus a into x square plus a square into x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4. What most of the students will do, they will apply product rule. They will apply product rule. Most of the students will apply product rule for this. But my dear students, please see here, don't go for that. What you do, you multiply x minus a for the numerator, you multiply x minus a for the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, you will get this term. Clear? Now x minus a into x plus a will be x square minus a square. into x square plus a square into x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4. What about these two terms? If I simplify these two terms again, it will be x raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 into what? X raised to 4 plus a raised to 4. Okay. Now you simplify this. It will be x raised to 8 minus a raised to 8. That means you can write it as x raised to 8 minus a raised to 8 divided by x minus a. Are you clear? So you have to use a very simple trick, that is multiplying x minus a to the numerator as well as denominator. So first we are multiplying x minus a to the numerator as well as denominator. So that we are going to get it as x to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 8. That you can see from this 2 we will get x square minus a square. Again from x square minus a square into x square plus a square we will get x raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. From this and this you are going to get x raised to 8 minus a raised to 8. Now quickly you can differentiate. By u by v rule, and you can get the answer. This is nothing but differentiation of u by v format. So that v as it is, differentiation of x to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 8 is 8 into x to the power of 7 minus, you write x to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 8 as it is, differentiation of x minus a is 1. Okay. So now this is in the u by v form, so that I am simplifying. Clear? So here this you can just see, multiplying 8 into x to the power of 7 into x is 8 into x to the power of 8. Multiply these two terms. Okay. And now multiply these two terms and multiply these two terms. This is 7. Clear? Okay. So therefore you see these two terms will get simplified and you will get 7 minus x to the power of 8. And from these two you can take a term common. From these two you can take a term common. So therefore a into 8 x to the power of 7 minus a to the power of 7. Clear? So quickly tell me everyone, have you understood this? Therefore option 2 will be the right answer. Option 2 will be the right answer. Clear? This is nothing but differentiation of u by v rule. V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. Clear? Quickly tell me, all of you. Okay. So now we can go for problem number 18. So for problem number 18, you just see, I will give you the hint. This term can be written as 1 minus cos x minus 1. This term can be written as 1 by cos x plus 1. This will be equal to 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Okay, so 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, 2 you can get cancel. You have root. You just simplify the root and get the answer. Clear? Okay, so that is what we have got here. The formula of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancelled. Therefore, this will be tan x by 2. So root of tan square x by 2 you will get. So root will get cancelled and you will get tan x by 2. What is differentiation of tan x by 2? 1 by 2 into secant squared x by 2. Okay. So that is option 1 is the right answer. Option 1 is the right answer. Clear? See this, 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2. That is option 1 is going to be the right answer for our this particular problem. Okay. So quickly we can go for the 19th problem. So my dear students, again this is in the form of log of mod of f of x. So 1 by mod of f of x into differentiation of f of x, right? That you can just do it on your own, no problem, because log of differentiation of log of mod of sec x plus tan x will be 1 by sec x plus tan x, right? And the differentiation of sec x plus tan x will be, sec x differentiation is sec x into tan x, and differentiation of tan x is secant squared x. This will be sec x into tan x plus secant squared x. So take sec x common, tan x plus sec x you are going to get. So you can cancel these two terms. So answer will be sec x. Clear? So very simple problem. That is log of mod of sec x plus tan x. Log of mod of sec x plus tan x. Clear? So therefore option 1, that is sec x, will be the right answer. Clear? Okay. So students, I will share the PDF. You can just go through it. Yesterday's PDF also I have not yet shared. So yesterday's and today's PDF I will share in your WhatsApp groups. You just go through it and you try to solve it, the remaining problems. Keep practicing the materials which you have with you. With all those materials and this type of classes, you can score more number of marks. Okay. Clear? So we can continue in the next class. I will see which chapter I have to take. Otherwise I will continue with continuity and differentiability. Otherwise I will take another new chapter. Okay. So I think all of you are understanding the classes. Quickly tell me, all of you, are you following the classes? Okay. Very good. Okay. So all of you be safe. Take care and let us meet in the next session. Let us meet in the next session. Okay. So thank you. Take care and bye everyone.